The Excel charting feature has also been improved significantly. You look at the gorgeous charts that you can create and the ease in which you can make changes to your charts. It makes making charts easier than ever before. And please note that the chart feature, along with the 3D options and other wonderful things, is the same feature in Excel that you'll find in Word and PowerPoint. Yet another way that Office 2007 has improved itself. Another new feature to Microsoft Excel in the 2007 version update is what they've done to the table features. Let's go to the Insert tab and choose Table. And here we have the opportunity to select how big we want our table to be. We can click and drag or type in the code ourselves. It asks us if our table has headers, and it will. So then we can say OK. Look what has happened. First of all, you can see the obvious change right here in the work area we've selected, but look up here in the ribbon. Design tab is opened up, and kind of a sub-tab labeled as Table Tools has opened up with all cool things we can do with our table. Let's go ahead and start by entering in a little bit of data. Now we've entered a little bit of information in here. Of course, some of the things that were true of the old version of Excel are still true here. We can still double click between a header line to change the size automatically. But let's take a look at what has happened automatically here with the table. First off, notice here the little drop-down arrows that were added to our header. This allows us to sort our information. You can sort by size, or if it's a alpha field, by alphabet. If you choose colors, you can do a custom sort, and text filters are added here as well. So basically, they've taken the filter and sort features and simplified them. Looking up in the ribbon, we're going to start here at the far end. Look at the suite table designs. And notice that your live preview kicks in on this gallery. And you have a drop-down arrow here if you want to keep scrolling down and look at all of your different options. Ooh, purple. We'll select that one. Now you may be asking, well, that's really cool, but what if I want to add a column? Suppose I don't exactly know as I start how many columns I need. And I work like that myself a lot. I kind of enter the information in Excel as it comes into my head to help me organize it. That's not a problem because look what happens here. Now watch when I hit enter. It automatically takes our formatting along with it. So now going back up to the Design tab, noticing here you have table style options. We already told it we have a header, and we already selected banded rows, which is the color scheme of light, dark, light, dark. But now suppose we'd like to keep a total row. Here it's keeping account for us of the number of records that have been entered, and if we click the drop-down menu here, you have options as to what you would like that number to be. Now here, look, we have a numeric field, but nothing has been entered yet down here. Well, if we click on the drop-down menu here, we need to tell it what it is we'd like. An average, it averages it for us. A sum, it gives us a sum. Notice that it did not keep our currency formatting. That's easy enough if you want to select the formatting, go back to your Home tab, choose your Format Painter and click, and see, easy enough to add that formatting. Now another really handy feature that has been added to this table feature in Excel 2007, if you look here towards the top, you see our header row. Now, if I were to take this information and copy it and paste it into the older version of Excel, now here you see our information. And if I go here to the top and scroll, well, you see I can't see anything and I cannot see my header. The only way to get that header to stay stationary used to be to go up to Window and to choose Freeze Panes. With New Excel 2007, it automatically freezes that pane for us because we told it it was a header row. That is such a great upgrade. Another really neat upgrade feature is the Summarize with the Pivotal Table option. Now, pivotal tables were certainly available in the older versions of Excel, but here it's really been simplified. We click on it, select the table, say OK, and it's basically giving you a wizard to pick and choose the information that you want to have included. And you see it creates the table information for you, allowing you to look at your information in a different way. And notice it creates a separate sheet for that pivotal table. If we want to go back to our original work, we just click on Sheet 1. And just another note, the new Microsoft Office 2007 version of Excel saves your data in the XML format, and that offers you a huge reduction in file size and an improvement in data recovery capabilities for damaged files. So those are features that could really benefit you, although they're not something that you see the use of every day. You'll be happy that they're there when the need arises.